my name is Brandon. Today we're gonna learn how to use an unresponsive yo-yo with a responsive yo-yo. Let's go. This is part 5. So the difference between an unresponsive yo-yo and a responsive yo-yo, a responsive yo-yo, when you tug it up, it comes back to you. With an unresponsive yo-yo, when you tug it up, it doesn't come back to you. So today we're gonna learn how to make it so the unresponsive yo-yo comes back to you. You're probably like, well then why don't you just always use a responsive yo-yo because it's so much easier. But unresponsive yo-yos, they last longer than responsive yo-yos. So if you look at like pro yo-yos, they use yo-yos that are unresponsive because then they can do so many different complicated tricks without the spinning running out. So we're gonna use it with the arrow yo-yo, and then we're going to swap to the bullseye yo-yo. So you throw it down how you usually throw it down, like normally, and you pull your pointer finger back to you, like you want it to hit your chest. Then you wrap it around and just tug up. You're not just gonna wanna let go or keep it down there for super long, but you are going to want to tug a little bit, like push this finger down and push the other finger up. So that's how you're going to do it, and I'm going to show a little bit so you can add some dazzle. So you throw it down and you quickly push it back. And it needs to land on your string. Instead of going like this, like that, you're gonna go like this.
Go like this.
So, yeah, that's how you use an unresponsive yo-yo. Now I'm gonna do it a few more times with the unresponsive yo-yo, bullseye yo-yo. So at first this might be really frustrating and you're like, why won't this come up? But it's just gonna take a lot of practice and you might wanna watch a few different videos, not just one, to figure out how to do it, because different people have different styles, and just know you're not gonna get it right away. Thanks for watching, bye.